Look what happened. I wasn't doing this when I went to bed last night. I woke up once, looked out the window. You couldn't even see out the window. And this is what we got going now. Ooh, getting snow on the lens. So there it is. Here's the start of. You can hear the wind out there. Yeah. One vehicle's gone by, and I think that was a repairman. So anyway, here's the start. Yeah, there's what we had to look at out the window today. Sticking to the window. This is our northwest window, and it's a winter wonderland out there. Yep. Mama Bear's home.
Hey.
I got her.
Go away.
Alright, well, there's what's going on. Here it is, 12:10. Oh, snowplows are out in town. But we got that. Wind's coming up. Let's see. We'll check. Check out the back here. Yeah. They said we'd have a brief area where it let up some, but you look out this window here. Looks like it's coming out of the east now. Now look, you can see it's really coming down. It's coming out of the east now on us, so anyway, just sitting at home, cruising the internet, picking on the wife. I think the last time I checked in it was 12:10, but if you look really close, it's right, picking up now. Oh, there it is. We're down to about a half block visibility. Look up towards Buddy's tower there. Yeah, you can see it coming. It's really coming down. And we're getting a pretty good sized drift there in the backyard. We'll go look out the front and see. Look at that. Snowplow went by. Yeah, I probably won't get the dually out for a few days. Dually, oops. Dually looks brown. Oh yeah, off towards the apartment there. Yeah, it's about a half block of visibility. Yeah. Looking at, I wish I could clean that. Open the door, the wind's just coming right in, so excuse me. So yeah, there's, nope, it's not going to focus. Looks like a lot of wet snow pushed up, and like I said, I don't know how I'm going to get the dually out now. That's too much snow for me to move. Dang. Anyway, this is another update. Just kind of going through today, different times and different spots. So the funny thing is, this is coming out of the southwest, but the snow and the wind is coming out of the northeast now, so that's usually not good. Well, it don't look too bad out there, but normally you can see about a mile out of town, but that's there, and everybody's starting to clean up. I think it's over, I guess, I don't know. But I see it's still coming down. And it's about 4:15. Probably won't add much more to this because it's going to get dark and then the camera won't pick up, so I guess that's just a short little video. We'll check out back here, see what it looks like. And the window's cleared off. Yeah, it's lit up some, but you look out there, you can Still see it's coming down. But anyway. And I guess there's supposed to be more yet tonight. Guess we'll see. So, alright. Well, you guys all stay safe out there and enjoy the snow if you like it.